uncovering the source of desires, the secrets behind their origin. As humans, we share a universal instinct for certain preferences, regardless of our origins. Whether it's the vibrant city of London, the elegance of Paris, the political hub of Washington, the natural beauty of Africa, or the desert landscapes of the Middle East, the common human instinct is undeniable. Isn't it true that most people appreciate wealth, precious metals like gold and sterling silver, exquisite diamonds, and luxurious living arrangements? We all find attraction in others. Women are drawn to handsome men, and men seek beautiful women. The breathtaking vistas of places like Switzerland offer tranquility that resonates with us. Indeed, the allure of worldly luxuries is something that most of us inherently appreciate. But what underlies this natural inclination? The answer to this intriguing question is illuminated in Sacred Book of the Divine, where the Lord, the Most Wise, mentions, "Men are naturally tempted by the lure of women, children, treasures of gold and silver, horses of mark, cattle and plantations. These are the enjoyments in the life of this world, but with Allah lies a goodly abode to return to." It's evident that these desires and their associated temptations are a part of human nature, but their origins remain a subject of inquiry. Here lies the kernel of wisdom. You are, in essence, a celestial being from the heavenly kingdom, ensconced within a terrestrial body. You hail from a realm beyond earth, a world where the divine light enveloped you, where you resided alongside the companionship of the angels, immersed in the splendor of paradisiacal domains and their delights. This is why our inclination towards beauty, opulent homes, cars, lush surroundings, and precious jewels resonates deeply with us. These treasures remind us of the place we originated from, the spiritual realm, the world of spirits. However, this earthly world isn't tailored to fulfill all our desires. Our beauty fades, health wanes, and challenges abound. As we become engrossed in this world's allure, we often neglect our true purpose. We can become so consumed by our desires that we lose sight of our essential needs and goals. No one from the dawn of creation till the curtains close on this earth will ever fulfill all that they desire. The ultimate destination for these desires is the eternal abode of paradise, where they will be fulfilled fully. Therefore, it makes perfect sense, striving to reach this destination. This is where our highly qualified self-development instructors are here to help you prioritize your purpose, needs, and desires, and will map out a framework for you to follow where the purpose of life is at the center of your life. May these teachings guide us towards a fulfilling and purposeful life.